You know, I haven't made a video in a while in this account, so I figured, you know, it's Good Friday, and I want to piss off some fucking Christians just because I just feel like it. Well, not really piss off any Christians, just sort of tell them that I'm not really into this sort of God thing or whatever, or blah blah blah. I'm also gonna pretty much piss off vegans as well. Right now, I'm gonna eat some Hot Pockets with crispy crust. Yeah, you know, it contains pepperoni pizza in there. You know, that's, you know, pepperoni, pig, I believe, whatever. You know, just to add insult to injury, I got this premium ham. So, you know what? Here I go. Just gonna wrap the fucking Hot Pockets around this. You know, this looks really, looks like, I don't know what it's supposed to look like. That is finger licking good. Can't believe that vegans are missing this. Oh god, there's something here. Oh. Oh yeah. Well, fuck Good Friday. This is, you know, just another freaking ordinary day. So, happy Good Friday, whatever. I'm the Atheist Games. Peace the game out.